Have you ever walked down to check your mail and realized someone stole your mailbox? The crime of stealing mailboxes is even more popular than Grand Theft Auto these days. If you've ever gotten your mailbox stolen, you need our laser mailbox defense system. We currently have 2 options to choose from. We used to have 3, but we had to take that down due to multiple reports of forest fires. But I'm sure you'll find maximum pleasure in our 2 available packages. Let me show you how easy it is to install our most popular package. This is our official laser defense turret. All you have to do is unwrap it and plug this bad boy in the ground. Next, plug it in. Well, apparently this thing has a really short cord. Just grab a handy dandy extension cord.
System online.
That's more like it.
Hey, mister! You filming a commercial?
Threat detected.
Well, as you can see, our product works effectively. But what if you want to protect your mailbox against Mother Nature? Sometimes weather can be nasty. That's a lot of damage! To avoid this from ever happening, you're going to need our brand new package with the brand new ointment, Stick-A-Frick. Just coat your mailbox with it. And BAM! That stick is fricked! Now try to break this stupid trees!
I'm gonna destroy that mailbox! Hail Adam!
And it works just like that. And to prove the power of Stick-A-Frick, I chopped this truck in half. Then I put some Stick-A-Frick on it. It's good as new! The Mailbox Defense System and the Stick-A-Frick pack is available for 4 easy payments of $20. That's a $15 deal for $28.84. But wait, there's more! If you call within the next 2 seconds, you get a free edgelord for $50. He'll sure scare the boogeyman out of your bathroom. These commercials get worse and worse every year.
I find their lack of edge disturbing.
When is the new Star Wars coming out?
Every year.
Good. You wanna go get cookies? Come, follow me. We get snack.